Hello friends, this is the demo of ChatGPT API. Let's see. The purpose is to create a simple chat application using ChatGPT API. So import your OpenAI package, then set your OpenAI key, and then set the system role. What is your system is about? Yeah, what the persona is of your system. Then function which make a request to the ChatGPT API with a history of messages. Okay, and finally now the chat application. In this application, it will take input from the user, and that input is stored as a dictionary object and append to the messages. Then a GPT request is made to get the response, and again dictionary object is created, and this dictionary object is also stored in same messages, because each time we have to send the history of messages, so the system know what we are chatting. And finally print the AI, the chat. Let's see how it Python 1.py. Hi, how are you? So in this way you can create your own chatbot. The code is available here on my website, simple AI chat application using ChatGPT API. Untold solution. Thanks.